Hello again, and today I'm going to show you how you can change your default search provider on your brand new Microsoft Edge in few simple steps, because Microsoft Edge has Bing as your default search provider. Okay, open up your Microsoft Edge. I'm just going to demonstrate that at the moment it is Bing. I'm just typing in randomly funny. And there you go, there's your Bing. To change that, just go to your right, there's three little dots, click on them, go to the settings, and now go to privacy and services. Scroll all the way down, where's address bar, click on it, and here you are. Bing is your search provider at the moment. Change that to Google or whatever suits you. Close Edge. Now open up the Edge again and your search provider should be Google. I'm just typing in funny again just to see what happens. And here we are. Google is my default search provider now. And look, it's not always simple to find things in first time. So hopefully it was helpful for someone out there. It took me a few minutes to find that out anyway. But thanks for watching, and subscribe if you found it helpful, and have a good life. Bye bye.